Lower back pain usually happens because of the bad sitting postures, overextensive use of the lower back muscles, and because of the sports injuries. So today, the focus of our video is going to be increasing the agility of the lower back along with the strengthening. Before we move on to the sequence, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our Shri Shri School of Yoga YouTube channel.
Now let's get on to the mat. Let's start moving left and right like a pendulum. Move along with your breath. As you inhale, come to the center. As you exhale, go to the side. If you wish, you can gently place your hands on the floor. To go a little deeper into the asana, stretch the other hand away from the body on the opposite side. And slowly and gradually come back to the center. Let's do a spinal twist. Let's take a deep breath in, lengthen your spine. Exhale, twist your spine towards the right side. Place your right hand behind your back and your left hand on the right knee and look over from your right side. Keep breathing. Stay there. Remember to listen to your own body. Breathe in, come back to the center, and let's do it on the opposite side. Breathe in, come back to the center. Let's go to the right and to the left. And gently come back to the center. Let's get ready for the Marjari Asana. Come on your hands and your knees, making sure the distance between your knees hip width apart, the hands directly under the shoulders and about shoulder width apart. As you breathe in, you lift your chin and chest forward, pull the navel down and look up. Tailbone towards the ceiling. Keep breathing. Exhale, chin to the chest, raise your upper back, squeeze your abdomen. Stay there, keep breathing. Now let's do it dynamically. Breathe in, look up. Exhale, go down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Continue doing it a few more times. And gently come back to the neutral position. Exhale, go into Shishuvasana. Relax your lower back. You may increase the distance between your knees a little bit so that you can gently move down towards the floor. If it's difficult to place the head on the floor, make a fist of your hand and place the head on the fist. Relax. Gently place your hands on the outside of the knees and with the help of your hands, gently sit up and gently you may stand up. Now let's get ready for hip rotations. Increase the distance between the feet to about hip width apart or a little more than hip width apart. Place your hands on the waist and start moving your waist in clockwise direction. As you breathe in, come forward. As you exhale, go back. Remember to do it gently, just mobilizing the hip joint. Reverse the direction.
And gently come back to the center. Now let's get ready for Konasana 1. As you breathe in, lift your left arm upwards.
As you exhale, you drop your right shoulder towards the right side.
Make sure the distance between the feet is hip width apart.
Keep your core engaged.
With every inhalation, try to stretch the left hand towards the ceiling.
Keep breathing. As you breathe in, gently come up. Exhale, bring your left arm down.
Now as you breathe in, lift your right arm upwards.
Exhale, drop your left shoulder towards the left side. Stay there in the asana. Keep breathing. And gently keep breathing, come up.
Exhale, bring your arm down.
Now let's get ready for Kati Chakrasana. As you breathe in, you raise your arms in front of the chest with the palms facing each other. The distance between the hands is shoulder width apart. As you breathe in, tuck your navel in, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist your body towards the right side, ensuring that the hands always remain in front of the chest. Look over from your right shoulder. Stay there, keep breathing. Gently breathe in, come back to the center. Exhale, go to the other side. Ensure that the feet are firmly grounded on the floor. Breathe in, come back to the center. Exhale, gently bring your hands down. Now increase the distance between your feet to a little more than hip width apart or closer to the shoulder width. Now we are going to do supported malasana, so it can be done with the help of a chair. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, you gently start going down, slowly and gradually, bending your knees and go down as much as possible. If you cannot do the malasana, it's okay to simply transition and go down and sit comfortably. Now gently, lying from the sides, you lie down on the abdomen. Now let's get ready for the Ardha Shalabhasana. Arms by the sides of the body, chin resting on the floor. As you breathe in, you lift your right foot off the floor about 6 inches. Exhale, push the toe away from the body. Ensure that the knee is straight and the pelvic bone is resting on the floor. Stay there, keep breathing. Exhale, gently bring the foot down. Breathe in, raise the other leg up. Exhale, push the foot away from the body. Stay there, keep breathing. Ensure that the pelvic bone is resting on the floor. And gently bring the leg down. Slowly roll over onto your back. And let's get ready for Pavan Muktasana. Bend both the knees. Exhale, bring them closer to the chest. Wrap around your arms and interlace your fingers from beyond the knees. Stay there. Make an effort to push the lower back on the floor. The head is still resting on the floor. Exhale. Straighten your knees and relax. Let's get ready for Setu Bandhasana. Bend your knees, place your feet closer to the buttocks, distance hip width apart. Hands by the sides of the buttocks with the palms facing the floor. As you breathe in, you lift your buttocks off the floor.
Once again, inhale and push the pelvis upwards.
Keep breathing. Exhale gently. Bring the hips down. And once again, bending your knees and bringing them closer to the chest. Let's do the Pavan Muktasana. You again keeping the neck and the head on the floor. but making an effort to put the lower back on the floor. Stay there, keep breathing. Now gently place your feet on the floor closer to the buttocks, this time increasing distance between the feet to little more than hip width apart. Arms by the sides of the body in line with the shoulder. Let's get ready for the Nataraj Asana 1. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, you drop your legs towards the right side and look towards the left side. Ensure that both the elbows and the arms and the shoulders are resting on the floor. Stay there, keep breathing. Inhale, come up. Exhale, go to the other side. Stay there. Once again, come up. Exhale, go to the other side. And now let's do it dynamically, moving from one side to the other. Once you feel comfortable on your neck, you can again bring your knees back to the center and once again hug your knees, doing a modified Pavanmuktasana. Keeping the head still resting on the floor, make an effort to put the lower back on the floor. Gently, you may rock your body left and right. If you wish, you can also rock your body to and fro, massaging the back. And slowly, you may straighten the leg. Increase the distance between the feet to about 1.5 2 feet, arms by the sides of the body, and lie down in Shavasana. Relax for a few minutes. If you wish to relax for a longer time, you may do so and continue this practice with a short meditation. The link to which you can find it in the description below.